All right, I'm going to show you how to make a video phone call on Messenger. You're going to click on Messenger, which is that Facebook app. It's going to open this up. Now, all you got to do, this is a list of different ones I've done, but I'm just going to go to my brother right here. And then I'm going to go up to the very top. You see that little camera? I'm going to click that. And now what it's going to do, it's going to open this up and it's going to contact him. And he's going to answer, hopefully. And if he does, then we can do an actual video audio chat. Connecting. Sorry, your call was dropped. Let's try one more time. Sometimes it doesn't work all the time. Down here you can do, oh, there he is. So I've got him. Now I'm doing a actual video audio chat with my brother through Facebook Messenger. Check him out. Doesn't he look awesome? All right, now, if you want to get out of it.
Who is this?
This is me. We just go down to this little red thing with a telephone on it.
Me?
I'm calling you.
Who is calling me on the phone?
Your brother calling you. We're making a video, how to use Messenger.
I don't know you.
Okay, here we go.
You just call random people on your Facebook?
Now, if I hit this, it'll end the phone call. Bye.
Is this one of those heavy breathers? Are you one of those heavy breathers?
All right, I just ended it, see? And you can give a rating on it. I'll give it 5 stars. And then if I hit here, it closes it out. And that's how you make a phone call on Messenger. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.